1 bar of B flat minor to 1 bar of C minor. Here we go. Here's the B minor, here's the B flat minor shape and location. Here is the C minor location. Here we go. Let's start on B flat minor. Here we go. 1, 2, whole notes, go now. 2, 3, up to C minor. There it is. Listen to that ring true. Back to B flat minor, up to C. Now you may notice that my middle finger is adding extra support to my first finger. It's something I developed along the way to make it work. Whatever works for you, that's what we're after here. 2, 3, 4, B flat minor. You say that chord name to yourself. There's C minor, always has been, always will be. B flat minor, there we go. Yes, that's what that is. 1, 2, 3, back to B flat minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, B flat, that's B flat minor. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes.